that's why we're looking at the 1 week time series. Okay, Amazon. It has not collected a new buy rating on the 1 week time series. It's struggling to find an exact position, but it has not exited yet, so it's attending a longer term uptrend. It goes all the way back to 2007 and even further. So 2002, you can see it bought and sold all the way to now. So if we go to the 1 hour time series, you can see on the 1 hour 83.3% win rate on Amazon. So if you look at this, we're seeing on the 45-minute time series, we're seeing 78.3%, 18 wins, 5 losses, 3.6 win-loss ratio, 78.3%. Okay, so Amazon, so 69.2% win rate. And you can compare the time series from 1 week all the way down to 1 minute against all of the stocks. Now you can see on Amazon 28 trades, 16 and 12. It still has not detected a full sell on the 1 week. Oh, we changed it to a 20. Nearest neighbors got to 71.9% on the 1 week.